Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start business intelligence with Power BI, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of business intelligence, or BI. Recognize that BI is the process of collecting, analyzing, and presenting business data to drive better decision making. Familiarize yourself with Power BI, Microsoft's powerful data visualization tool. Download and install Power BI Desktop from the official Microsoft website. Launch Power BI Desktop and explore the user interface. Identify key components such as the ribbon, report view, data view, and model view. Start a new report by clicking on the Get Data button. Choose your data source from the extensive list, like Excel, SQL Server, or web data. Follow the prompts to connect Power BI to your chosen data source. Import the relevant data tables that will be critical for your analysis. Once data is loaded, navigate to the data view to inspect and clean your data. Check for any missing values or inconsistencies, and make necessary adjustments. Create calculated columns or measures using DAX, data analysis expressions, as needed. Head to the report view to begin building visualizations. Drag and drop fields from your data onto the report canvas. Experiment with different visuals such as bar charts, line charts, and pie charts. Use the formatting options to customize the appearance of your visuals. Incorporate slicers and filters to add interactivity to your reports. Organize your visuals on the report page for clarity and impact. Create additional report pages if your analysis requires more space. Once satisfied with your report, save your work frequently. Publish your report to the Power BI service for sharing and collaboration. Use the Publish button in Power BI Desktop to upload your report to your Power BI account. In the Power BI service, explore the options for sharing your report with team members or stakeholders. Consider setting up scheduled data refreshes to keep your reports updated automatically. Explore the Power BI mobile app to access your reports on the go. Engage with the Power BI community through forums, blogs, and webinars to continue learning. Experiment with advanced features like Power Query for data reshaping and Power BI Embedded for integrating reports into applications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.